Hi guys, welcome to Future Tech Channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about 7 powerful ways to lay the foundations of blogging success. No one should discourage you from blogging. You may not be 100% sure that you want to be a pro blogger anytime soon, but you should not be discouraged. The reality is, when you are new to any type of venture, without a practical guide or a mentor, you are more likely to make mistakes. I know you are doing your best so as to obtain great results from your blogging and achieve all of your dreams. Believe me, I know how you feel right now. It may appear as though nothing amazing is happening to your company at this point, but that is a huge fat lie which you must never believe. How to lay the foundations of blogging success. I want to explain 7 ways to ensure you will have blogging success long before you feeling successful. These techniques will surely help you become a successful blogger in a short amount of time. 1. Write catchy titles. Blogging becomes really amazing when after pushing the publish button, thousands of individuals write, share, and assist you in distributing your information. Who would not want this to happen every time a post gets published? Well, you can achieve this by writing a catchy headline. You should take a fair amount of time to write your title. Make sure it's really good. The best way to write a captivating title each time is to steal ones from different people. I'm sure you have been hooked by a specific title before. Copy that idea. But don't copy the title, that's plagiarism. Learn how to write a catchy headline and captivate your audience well before they open your article. 2. Think and act business. Question: are you a business person or a blogger? Many people who operate a WordPress blog see themselves mainly as bloggers. But you should start to look beyond that mindset and start to become a business person. Of the successful internet entrepreneurs you have ever heard of, all have a unique thinking pattern. These entrepreneurs see their website or blog as an indispensable part of their company. Most of these individuals came from offline business backgrounds. When they came online and began a blog, they maintained the same thoughts they had earlier as if they were selling physical products. It is important for you to see yourself as a real person who is running a real business. It is important to note that there are a number of limitations associated with being a blogger. However, a skilled business person is able to deal with any kind of problem. You should not just be a blogger who writes articles, but also a problem solver ready to face challenges. Become an organizer, a manager, an investor, and an action taker. 3. Find a mentor. A mentor can help you avoid errors and guide you every step of the way toward achieving your objectives. But before you get a mentor, ensure you have written a realistic and clear objective on paper. After that, present your objective to your mentor and ask for their advice and feedback. Don't do blogging alone. You will need help from others. 4. Read marketing materials. You should not limit yourself to blogs and ebooks only. A lot of material comes in audio forms, hard copy books, e-courses, and in other ways. For you to be a successful blogger, you have to learn how to market yourself. It is essential that you read everything you can. The point is, the more you learn, the more potential there is for success. 5. Don't read every blog. There are a huge number of blogs out there which can cause a big distraction. This is one of the main reasons why many individuals fail. They start reading every blog out there and never start implementing any of the techniques because there's no more time left in the day. It is advisable that you limit yourself to a few of your favorite blogs. Since the start of 2013, I restricted myself to 7 authority blogs for you to abide by this rule. You will need a lot of discipline. If you wish to make cash blogging, find the blogs that are teaching you practical tricks to making money, becoming an influencer, driving traffic, etc. You should select the blogs you read very wisely. 6. Focus more on marketing than writing. Listen, as much as writing makes you a prolific blogger, a better person, and someone who attracts attention, marketing is what will set you on high. You need to fully commit yourself to marketing. The reality is, despite how significant, reliable, and interesting your content is, you are doomed if the right people don't read it. You might have wasted your precious time looking for content, writing, formatting, and editing and forgot to spend any time marketing that content. Don't get me wrong, you should write and produce important stuff, but you also need to learn how you can promote your work. 7. Join the bandwagon. When I say bandwagon, I am implying a group of individuals who are already successful with their blogs. You can gain knowledge quicker when you're spending time with individuals who have failed and bounced back to become better and stronger. Life is very short. You need to make mistakes and learn, but wouldn't it be better to minimize all the mistakes and maximize all the learning? All the tiring work has been done by these folks already. You just need to listen to them. You should find out where they hang out and begin making friends with them. Networking is important. Plan to attend a seminar, a conference, a workshop, or one of those famous webinars. Laying the foundations of blogging success. What's important about all of this is that you need to seek out people who will help you along the path. It is impossible for you to succeed online if you are working alone. In order to be successful, you will need help somewhere along the way. By laying these essential foundations, you can easily find people who will see that you are serious and determined to go beyond your own limitations. You should not hide in your own shell of unawareness. Step out and find success. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.